Vegan Live Fit. We're looking good. Can save the earth. This is Corinne Sutton, and today is leg day. Actually, it's a pulling day. I want to do some pulling exercises today, and today I'm just going to warm up with some deadlifts. That's my pulling workout. Today I did a full pulling workout today. It was really good to do something different because yesterday I went on a run. It was, I ran about 10.6 kilometers. That's about 6.6 miles. And you know, it was really good. I did it in like 54.5 minutes, which is pretty good according to some people, what they told me. But I am getting back into running again just because with the bodybuilding, I like it and I still want to do it, but I want to start really getting more into endurance sports too. You know, because I really want, I used to always run a lot when I was in the military. I used to run about 10 miles 3 times a week, so about 30 miles a week. And I just got out of it when I got out. You know, I mean, imagine doing that for like in the Marine Corps I did that for 4 years, and then in the Navy it kind of cut back to like maybe 10 miles a week. But you know, I really got out of it, and it's something that I really want to get back into because I do like running. It clears my mind and stuff like that. So that's why I went running yesterday, and that's something I have been incorporating into my programs now. And also a lot of spinning too. I've been doing a lot of spinning too. But overall, that's why I changed up my workouts, you know, because I still want to keep my size. You know, I still want to maintain a lot of muscle while doing this. So even though I'm increasing my endurance activities with a lot of more cardio-based exercises, you know, that means I have to change up my nutrition. Definitely eating more complex carbohydrates, you know, more sweet potatoes, more oats, I just started to do black rice. So, and black rice, I definitely felt the difference, you know, doing more complex carbs and things that's very high in amino acids and nutrients and energy and stuff like that. So, yeah. That's it, but overall, had a good workout. Now heading home and get some breakfast.
I ended up turning around and heading to the Screaming Carrot. The Screaming Carrot is the first plant-based restaurant to open in Hollandale, Florida. It's created by Guy Biberman, who has been eating a 100% plant-based diet for about 3 years. The restaurant offers its customer an organic, whole food, plant-based culinary experience. So there's a guy right there wearing his vegan shirt. But for appetizer, I had the sauteed mushrooms. It's sauteed portobello with white mushroom. And the green is a sweet pea puree. Now this was really good. It usually comes with hot and spicy sauce, but I got the puree instead. Now for the main course, I had a gluten-free Thai pasta. It serves with quinoa pasta stir-fried with green beans, baby corn, Thai basil, red pepper, baby peppercorn, and risotto, added with tofu and brown rice. I also had the green puree added to it. It was delicious. But that's it. Be vegan, live life, fit forever. Peace.